the Chief of Staff. General Anyo, can you come forward and be counted as one of the Filipinos Sir, tinatanong ka kasi makulit yan si... You are now facing the next DILG Secretary.
Okay.
Kailangan ko kasi I have a problem with the police. And a military man, halos pareho-pareho lang yan ng, except that the police can really, mahirap ang police ngayon. I was reading, coming here, another spot report of 4 policemen, again, kidnapping, putang ina talaga ito, mga police na to.
Understand si General Anyo is supposed to retire in October. How soon do you want him to assume his post as
No, I want him to complete because there are projects which he has to, no, at this time. You cannot just pull out somebody in the armed forces, especially those who are tasked of programming what will happen next.